Judging people. Judging people is a common habit of ours. In certain circumstances, when you have enough information, this may not be entirely wrong. But what is absolutely wrong is to judge people by our own standards. We must judge people by their standards. If a person is conforming to his own standards, it means that he is a sincere and truthful person, even if he at times falters. We may differ with his standards, but this is a very minor point in this given context. When we judge people by our standards, we are being self-righteous and egotistic. Whether we like it or not, this is downright injustice to the person we are judging. Two people can have different ways of life. They can behave differently and have different standards. If we do not concede this, we in fact believe that people cannot think or behave differently and that they must reach the same truth come what may, and this is not correct. So as far as judging people is concerned, it is best that we start judging our own selves. Instead of judging other people, we should turn that telescope of picking the faults of other people inwards and find our own faults and then try to rectify them.